Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You're starting by preparing hardware and software. First, make sure your Mac or iOS device is updated and on the same local network. Open Airport Utility. Once done, plug the Time Capsule into power and use an Ethernet cable to connect it to your router's LAN port. This gives the device internet access and stable performance. Make sure the LED lights power on. These initial steps avoid wireless discovery issues and let Airport Utility find and begin configuring the device immediately. You'll now configure network settings and the internal disk. In Airport Utility, select your Time Capsule and choose whether to create a new Wi-Fi network or join an existing one. Set a clear network name and a strong WPA2 password so devices can connect securely. Next, enable the disk in the base station settings, choose disk mode or RAID if applicable, and set a disk password for Time Machine backups. Once you save and update, the Time Capsule will restart and broadcast the configured network. Finish by connecting Time Machine to the Time Capsule disk. Open System Preferences, choose Time Machine, and select the Time Capsule disk as the backup destination. Enter the disk password when prompted. Start the initial backup and watch its progress. Initial copy may take hours depending on size. Make sure subsequent automatic backups run on schedule. If things go wrong, restart the Time Capsule and your Mac, verify Ethernet connections and Wi-Fi, and temporarily disable VPNs or strict firewall rules that block network disk access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.